Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Facebook page not showing in Meta Business Suite. If your Facebook page is not appearing where you expect it inside Meta Business Suite, this usually means the page has not been selected in the correct business portfolio, or it still needs to be added through settings. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the process carefully so you can check the right place and reconnect the page if needed. Start by opening Meta Business Suite in your browser. Once the dashboard loads, take a moment to make sure you are fully signed in and that the main interface is visible. This is important because page visibility issues often happen when you are inside the wrong business account or portfolio. Next, move to the top left area of the screen and click the Portfolio dropdown. This menu lets you switch between different business portfolios connected to your account. If you manage more than one business, selecting the correct one is a key part of solving the issue. From that dropdown, click the portfolio you want to work in. Choose the one where your Facebook page is supposed to appear. After switching, give the page a moment to refresh. In many cases, simply moving into the correct portfolio helps reveal the missing page. If the page still does not show, continue by clicking Settings. This will take you into the Business Settings area, where assets like pages, people, and permissions are managed. This section is especially useful when a page has not yet been added to the business portfolio properly. Inside Settings, click on Pages. This opens the area where all Facebook pages connected to that business portfolio are listed. Take a quick look here to confirm whether your page is already present. If it isn't listed, that confirms it still needs to be added. Now click Add. This begins the process of bringing the Facebook page into your Meta Business Suite setup. Be sure to select the appropriate options shown on your screen, depending on whether you own the page or need to request access to it. From here, simply follow the on-screen procedure to complete the add process. Meta will guide you through the remaining prompts, and the exact options may vary slightly depending on your account permissions and whether the page is already connected somewhere else. Read each prompt carefully before confirming. Once the process is complete, return to Meta Business Suite and check whether the page now appears. If needed, refresh the browser or reopen the dashboard. That's how to fix a Facebook page not showing in Meta Business Suite.